You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Danish chemist and physicist, if you want to learn more confusing names of famous scientists, including from chemistry, that not many people can pronounce. You've found the right channel. Stay tuned. Hans Christian Ørsted. Danish pronunciation. Hans Christian Ørsted. Therefore, in English, just say it as Hans Christian. You can say Christian or Christian Ørsted. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.